Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. I personally feel I have fallen many times than Humpty Dumpty. But believe me, after every knock, you seem to become better and better. Well, today I am here to tell you something which is unusual, and that is negotiation. Sometimes you have to accommodate, sometimes you need to compromise, sometimes you need to prepare for a competition, and sometimes you have to collaborate to win the race of life. I have grown as a very pampered, delicate darling and have always been treated like a princess. Training, Toastmasters, traveling and talking are the four things that I love. Wherever I am training, I have to travel a lot because there are so many colleges and universities across the country. And wherever I am, I talk a lot. And if I manage to get some time, I love to attend Toastmasters meeting. Well, this reminds me of a way back when I was traveling to Amritsar College of Engineering from Mohali. And we used to travel to from Mohali to Amritsar College of Engineering early morning 4 a.m. And this was not for one day. It was there for 15 long days in the month of December. The people who have been to Punjab or places like Mohali or Chandigarh, they can imagine the kind of fog we have in the month of December and the chilled breeze shivering. The moment we used to reach the college, we had to rush to our classrooms because sometimes it takes long time to search for the right room as well. I was famishing and had a severe pain in my joints. But I had no choice because it was more important for me, being a soft skills trainer, to be there in the classroom on time and to deliver my session in the best possible way. So I just ignored my pain, forgot my hunger, and I delivered my session. And the challenge is, as a trainer, you are expected to be confident, energetic, and get a good feedback if you want the next contract. As simple as that. This experience taught me how to control my hunger cravings and to survive even with such severe pain. Every experience in your life teaches you a lot of things. While training in Sikkim Maniphal University, I managed to survive only on noodles, chow mein and spring rolls. This is how life is. But this never stopped me from moving ahead as a trainer. While training in Hyderabad, can you just imagine what the temperature was? It was the month of June. It was almost 50 degrees. And I, being a delicate darling, I get sunburns when the temperature is almost 31 or 32. But sunburns are nothing. Hyderabad is known for its non-vegetarian delicacies like rice combinations. But sadly, at that time, I had stopped eating non-vegetarian food. So I learned to survive with the help of South Indian food and fruits. kept on and on and on. And today I am very thankful to God, being the most accomplished, fluent soft skills trainer in India, being the founder of Invincible Wow and Special Wow series, and also for the highest award I got from Toastmasters International, which was almost like a magnum opus for me. It is not easy to reach heights. Now I have learned the lesson of negotiation. I am no longer the same old silly crazy Richa. I have transformed as Richa Invincible Wow. I have learned how to win the race of life, and I am a born winner, and I will make sure that you also win, because you deserve to win, and so do I. Thank you.